Borealis is one of the most fascinating natural events that happen on Earth, and sometimes you can even see it from right here in Colorado. And this upcoming weekend, one place is getting ready for you to experience the magic of the Northern Lights. The Aurora Borealis is back, and in today's sponsored segment, we're joined by David Jacobson from Visit Aurora to tell us more. And I heard you have a little deal for our GDC viewers. We're going to wait and stick around for that. But welcome in, David.
Good to see you again, Jeff.
You are definitely looking the part, my man.
Thank you. My boss said, well, you wear this on TV, and I said, can I wear my bow tie too?
That's what kind of employee you are.
Absolutely.
Give this man a raise, and next time, I want to wear the bow tie.
Appreciate that.
Bring it in. So what is the Aurora Borealis Festival, and what makes it such a unique experience?
It's a celebration of light. We recreate the Aurora Borealis Effect over High Prairie Park at Painted Prairie, and you have this amazing vibe of music and local artisans and interactive light displays and food. It's just a vibe.
Yeah, it wouldn't be a festival without the entertainment, performances, activities. Is this a family-friendly activity?
Yes, we wanted to create an affordable family event for everybody in the metro area, so bring the family out.
Even late night?
Yeah.
Because all the lights that are flashing, it seems a little ravey.
It's not a rave.
Okay.
It's not but choose your own adventure, right? We have a silent disco, so you could vibe to that and, yeah, make it your own.
So we were just kind of looking at these lights. That's how you recreate the Aurora Borealis, not that you could actually see it from here.
Yeah, we have a Colorado company called Eddy Sound. They bring in a bunch of fog machines and lasers, and it creates this incredible Aurora Borealis effect over High Prairie Park.
Yeah, that looks really cool. I like that. And what's with the acrobats that we're seeing? Are you going to have that kind of activities there?
Absolutely. It's all about the acrobats. It's about the music. It's about the food. It's about the shopping. It's just an incredible family event this weekend at High Prairie Park.
Oh, you're selling me, buddy. So food is always a big part of any festival, and you know, I like food too. What types of vendors will be there?
Well, from Korean food to amazing street tacos. You know, Aurora is Colorado's most diverse community, and we wanted that reflected in the food offering. So whatever your flavor profile is, you'll find it.
David, you said street tacos?
Yes, sir.
You're checking all the boxes for me. You're checking all my boxes. Speaking of Aurora, what are some hidden gems if people are coming from out of town to check out in Aurora?
Stanley Marketplace. It was a former aviation factory. You got to check that out. Of course, Southland's Lifestyle Center. The Gaylord Rockies is the largest convention and event center west of the Mississippi outside of Las Vegas. Aurora's got all the good stuff.
Always something good going on at the Gaylord Rockies, for sure. How about some great places to eat and drink when you're in town?
On Havana Street was named one of the top 10 culinary neighborhoods in America by Afar magazine. We have over 160 languages spoken in Aurora, and all of them say delicious.
David, I don't know who your boss is, but I'm going to say it again. Give this guy a raise for sure. Any other big events happening towards the end of this year or next? I know the Gaylord Rockies always puts on a great Christmas festival.
Yeah, ICE this year at Gaylord Rockies features the Grinch, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Of course, Southlands has their ice skating rink that's opening back up again. Town Center Aurora's got their Santa Claus coming up, so there's a lot of great holiday events coming at visitaurora.com/holiday.
Wow, I don't know. If that wasn't selling you guys, I don't know what will. David, always good to see you, and thank you so much, buddy. Great job. And don't forget that bow tie for next time. The Aurora Borealis Festival is happening on October 10th and 11th at High Prairie Park in Painted Prairie. Tickets are $15, but get this. If you use the code GREAT2025, you'll get 20% off your tickets. To learn more about it, visit, where do we go, David?
AuroraBorealisFestival.com.
There he is. I'm making him earn his paycheck. Thank you to Visit Aurora for sponsoring this segment.